is mag-move tayo ng page.
Ha?
Okay, if makukuha mo na siya, if mark. Okay, sige ha, bago pa dumating ang mga Kastila, ang ating mga ninuno, okay, ninuno. Okay ha? Ninuno. Letter A, dwarf or duwende. Ano guys, sabi ko, organization dwarf. Number 2, letter B. Letter B is mothers. Letter C, fathers. Letter D, ancestors.
Ancestors.
Okay, ninuno, that is ancestors.
Hey!
Next. Pasalin dila o lipat dila ang naging pangunahing paraan ng pagpapahayag. Okay, letter A. Letter A, broadcasting. 21. Okay, letter A, broadcasting. Letter B, news reading. Letter C, forecasting. Letter D, reporting.
Pagpapahayag.
Letter A, broadcasting. Letter B, newscasting. Letter C, forecasting. Letter D, reporting.
I heard this in grade 5 and grade 6 but I don't remember.
Hmm.
But I remember it when we're doing a report, so report.
Report? Tumbo. Ibig sabihin ng pagpapahayag, kuya,
Forecasting.
parang ganun forecasting. So dahil lumaganap ang politikan sa pamamagitan ng pagsasalin-salin sa bibig ng mga mamamayan. This one, mamamayan.
Mama mo yan.
Mamamayan. Letter A.
Pati mama.
Letter A, citizen. Letter B, netizen. Letter C, genizen. Letter D, fortizen.
I heard this before. Especially sa Arab Army.
Mga mamamayan.
What's the choices again sa A to B?
Letter A, citizen. Letter B, netizen. Letter C, genizen. Letter D,
What's
fortizen.
genizen?
Mga Gen Z ba? Just like, hindi, di ba Gen Z ako? Di ba
Gen Z
kayo?
ka,
Hindi, ano galing ang tawag sa inyo? Gen Alpha na di ba kayo? O parang ganun. Next, ano galing yung letter D, forzen. Ibig sabihin mga for, na kuya?
Mama mo yan.
Mama mo yan.
Mama mo yan. Citizen?
Very good, citizen. Ibig sabihin mga tao kuya sa community.
I heard this Arab kasi.
Okay, traditional na awiting karaniwang inaawit sa pagpapatulog ng sanggol. Sanggol. Letter A, old man. Letter B, man. Letter C, kay young men. Letter D, ulit na. Letter A, old man. Letter B, young men. Letter C, ano yun siya?
Kid.
Parang kid. Letter D, kay baby. Sanggol. Letter A, old man. Letter B, young man. Letter C, kid. Letter D, baby.
It cannot be kid because bata. So I remove one answer, so now it's 1 out of 3. So 25% chance. I don't know my math. And then old man is lolo. Ano the term ko? I'm trusting my gut, it's man.
Man? Hindi. It's baby. Sanggol. Okay nga? Sa pamamangka, sa kasal, sa pagtatanim, sa pagluluksa. Letter A, being happy. Letter B, yearning. Letter C, crying. Letter D, grieving.
Diba the other one is baby, so crying.
Crying? No! It's grieving.
Baby is grieving?
Oh, ibig sabihin kuya, ang traditional na awiting or the traditional song can be applied in lullabies when you try kuya the baby to let him or her sleep, sa pamamangka in fishing, sa kasal, wedding, sa pagtatanim, in planting, sa pagluluksa, in grieving, at iba pa.
So a baby can grieve?
Hindi kuya. Ibig sabihin ba, the sentence in here, saan or when is the right time to use the traditional song? So it was stated in here, traditional song are being used when you try kuya to do lullabies or when you try kuya to let the baby sleep, in fishing, in wedding, in planting, and in grieving, and many more.
So when you're grieving and you want, and the
No,
baby wants to cry.
ibig sabihin kuya, you can use a traditional song even though when you are grieving. Di ba? What are the songs kuya na pinapatugtog kapag ano na kuya? Kapag you are grieving, di ba? Ayun ko lang narinig mo na, it's been a long day without you, my friend.
Yeah.
O, di ba kasali siya? You can do songs kuya when you, di ba, grieving or something, di ba, when you are sad, di ba, you are listening to sad songs? You do that one? Hindi ka na ano? Okay, this one. Mahabang tulang nagsasalaysay sa kabayanihan.
Lord.
Letter A, being hero. Letter B, being a savior. Letter C, being kind. Letter D, being funny.
Maghabang tulang.
Nagsasalaysay,
No, what's the...
kabayanihan.
So, a hero or savior?
Isa lang eh. Letter A, hero. Letter B, savior. Letter C, nakalimutan ko ng choices ko. Letter C, being kind. Letter D, being happy.
Funny.
Ay, funny pala.
Savior or hero, kasi novela, which is noble, epico, which is being epic, but so if it's so it has to be hero or savior because it's not novela and epico. So most stereotypically heroes are the epic ones, hero.
Very good! So, ibig sabihin being a hero.
I watch
Next.
too much Homeland.
Okay. Sa ariling ito, ipagpapatuloy mo ang pagtuklas. Letter A, to observe. Letter B, to find out. Letter C, to do adventure. Letter D, to write.
Right, like right.
Right.
Mga karunungan bayan, so dili ka ba?
O, pagtuklas. Letter A, to observe. Letter B, to find out. Letter C, ano yung letter C? Letter C, to do adventure. Letter D, to write.
What's the first AB?
A, to observe. Letter B, to find out. Letter C, to do adventure. Letter D, to write.
I have a feeling because this is and that looks like a word but it's a different page one. So
Pagtuklas.
I'm reading the others or grouping. I have no idea, so writing.
Letter B, to find out.
Oh, so what's
Pagtuklas. Okay, so pangkarunungang bayang ipinamana ng ating mga ninuno. Ninuno means ancestors, di ba? Ninuno ancestors. Dito ay makikilala mo naman ang mga sawikain o idioma, kawikaan at tanaga.
What's idioma?
Idioms. For example, kuya, ano yung mga famous idioms natin, kuya?
Idioms.
Idioms means, kuya, ano? For example, kuya, Ang hindi marunong tumingin sa kanyang daraanan ay hindi makakarating sa kanyang paroroonan. The one who doesn't look back at his, at his beginning, cannot go to its destination, to his destination. Just like idioms. You are using, kuya, some of, not majestic wording, pero parang you are making, kuya, another word, kuya, parang different meaning. The one who does not recognize his beginning cannot move forward to its destination. Just like that one, but that is an idiom.
I didn't get it, but I will pretend I got it.
Ganun na lang. Inaasahang malilinang hindi lang ang iyong kritikal na pag-iisip, kundi gayon din ang iyong pagiging malikhain. Dahil bubuo ka ng sarili mong tinaga at sasali sa isang palatuntunan sa pagbigkas ng tula. Makatutulong ito ng malaki para mapasigla. Letter A, to cook. Letter B, to be alive. Letter C, to be happy. Letter D, to move forward.
Since it's malaki, that means big. Then, big para something. So, big something, big. What's the rest again?
Letter A, to cook. Letter B, to, ano yun siya? Nakalimutan ko ang ano. Letter A, to cook. Letter B, to be alive. Letter C, to be funny. Letter I, to be happy. Letter D, kay, hindi ka siya?
So, it's just one word lang.
Oo, one word lang.
So, since I am English, that's so good sa English. I know if it will sound like correctly.
Mhm.
So, malaki something big.
Mhm.
Malaki para
Mapasigla.
So, alive or happy. Alive?
Very good. Ibig sabihin, kuya, to strengthen you, kuya, or to make you alive, that there is something happening, kuya.
I see a pattern ba?
Hmm?
Good, bad, good, bad, good.
Okay,
Next one,
dito na.
wrong.
Mga karunungang bayan pamana ng nakaraan. Letter A, future. Letter B, past. Letter C, present. Letter D, in the near future. Nakaraan. Letter A, future. Letter B, past. Letter C, present. Letter D, in the near future.
I don't know all of the words for that thing, so nakaraan.
Nakaraan. It's not nakaraan,
Nakaraan.
Raan. Yan, just like ito man. Nakaraan.
Nakaraan.
Ganyan, hindi siya nakaraan. Nakaraan. So, ano yung answer mo? Letter A, future. Letter B, past. Letter C, present. Letter D, in the near future.
I'm definitely gonna get wrong because I see the pattern now. So, future.
Future answer mo? It's past. Kapag nakaraan, past.
I'm thinking so much about past ba?
Oo. Pamana ng nakaraan, past. Ating pahalagahan, ito'y kayamanang dapat nating ingatan. Ingatan. Letter A, to help. Letter B, to care. Letter C, to love. Letter D, to lean on.
One word lang.
Ingatan.
Ito kay yung mga...
Dapat nating ingatan.
Dapat. So, something life lesson. So, what's that phrase again?
Nakalimutan ko na. Ang letter D, to lean on. Letter C, to love. Letter B, to care. Letter D, letter A pala. Okay ha. Letter A, I don't know, nakalimutan ko. So, basically, hindi na answer. Letter B, to care. Letter C, to love. Letter D, to lean on.
So, since you forgot letter A na, so,
So, hindi na siya.
50-50 na ako. To love or to care, diba?
Ay, no.
Grabe no.
Letter B, to care. Letter C, to love. Letter D, to lean on.
So, love and care. So, dapat nating care. Dapat nating love.
Love? Letter C? Yes, letter B. Kailangan natin mag-care, kuya. Okay, ha? Paano nakakatulong ang pagkikilala at pagpapahalaga sa mga tula? Karunungang bayan sa panahon. Panahon means weather or in the times, kuya, ha? Nang katutubo sa pagpapalalim ng ating pag-unawa sa sariling kultura. Makibahagi ka sa isang gawaing kultural na
I don't know this word. I don't
kultural means cultural. Okay. Sa mga karunungang bayan gaya ng bugtong. Letter A, poem. You know what's poem? Or poem pala yun siya. Letter A, poem. Letter B, riddle. Letter C, rhyme. Letter D, story.
What's the D?
Rhyme. Ay, riddle. Letter C, rhyme. Letter D, kay story. Bugtong. Letter A, poem. Letter B, riddle. Letter C, rhyme. Letter D, story.
Sa isang gawin kultural na magtatamantok sa mga karunungang bayan ang bugtong. What is?
Karunungang. Ibig sabihin, kuya, karunungang bayan, knowledge-based, kuya. Paano yan?
So it's based on knowledge?
Based on knowledge.
But the English word,
Yun siya.
based knowledge?
Based knowledge. Ma? For ang? Sa Pilipino? Ay, ano sa kanina? 4 out of pila? Wala dyan sa siguro nakadiskarte. Anong bugtong? Letter A, poem. Letter B, riddle. Letter C, rhyme. Letter D, story. Hindi nakalimutan, no? Saan dyan?
Kultura, so our culture based on knowledge. So, poem, then...
Poem. Letter B, riddle. Letter C, rhyme. Letter D, story. You're writing
Sorry.
It's not. It's riddle. Bugtong po yan. Okay, it's a riddle, ha? Magbugtungan tayo. Subuking sagutin ang mga bugtong na ito. The category. Okay ha? This is the riddle, kuya. Mga gamit o bagay. The hint or the things, kuya, sa mga gamit or bagay. Bumili ako ng alipin, mataas pa sa akin. I bought a servant, but it's taller than mine.
Servant? Like a servant?
This one, answer this riddle. If you answer this riddle, kuya, we will move to the next page. I bought a servant, but the servant is taller.
What's the use if I will get it right when the next page is right?
This one. I bought a servant, but the servant is taller than mine.
Taller than my servant.
I bought a servant, but the servant is taller than me or mine.
So I'm thinking now that's more, more influential or known ba?
So what is that riddle? Your hint, ha? Things that you use, kuya, or gamit. Any things. I bought a servant, but the servant is taller than me.
So it's the things that I use.
O, parang ganun, kuya.
But that's taller than me.